drama bafethu. The drama keeps on elevating. Ishmael is panicking ukuthi ubonke uyamfuna. Remember guys, Ishmael is in a relationship noNobuhle. So they recently got caught sleeping together in one room. Bebanje waFelicia bafethu. Umama kaNobuhle. Hey guys, it's going down, I won't lie. Yabona nje lana nje uMafitsotso. Angazi ulwela ini ngomese, but it's going down guys. It's not even good. Umfana Ishmael is panicking ukuthi ubonke amfuna left right center. Ubonko wants to beat Ishmael because ulale nosisi wakhe omncane. Not knowing ukuthi ubonke bafethu naye phela unenkinga on his background too. You understand? But see bafethu, shout out to Mafitsotso. Mafitsotso is a good big bro because uhlezi emvikela uIshmael. Bethi nje besa hleli phansi someone knocks kanti lo mngani wabo abahlala naye lemkhukhwini. You understand? These people are really panicking bafethu. Ishmael is really in trouble. Ubonko is on the hunt for Ishmael. Ufuna ukumudla ephila guys. Yo, ngiyamzwela Ishmael guys yo. But he can't let go of his feelings because he came to some kind of Nobuhle. Crazy. Bonke bafethu keeps on spending time nomkakhe lapha owethu. But owethu guys, naye I think she's not even getting the memo. She's not getting the memo right because ubonko keeps on saying ukuthi whatever happens yohlezi emthando owethu. Whatever happens yohlezi emthando owethu. Isn't that supposed to be a hint guys? Because owethu said something like, hey, Gabriel said something. He looked like he wanted to say something yesterday, and then obviously someone intercepted. Yabona, I think ubonko wanted to speak to owethu and tell her the truth ukuthi kwenzakalani, that he slept with uMaruna. But uGabriel ke utshele ubonko ukuthi no, you don't have to tell owethu because owethu is not gonna forgive you ever again if you're gonna tell her the truth. Yabo, ngalena ke bafethu Felicia ufuna ukuthatha uNobuhle for a test, pregnancy test. No, not even pregnancy test. I think a test regarding yabona uIshmael noNobuhle sleeping together. But ke uNobuhle bafethu is also standing on business manje because she was the one who was getting slapped when what they call all along. But manje she is the one who's actually standing on business ku Felicia. Yamtshengisa ukuthi hayi mina ngeke. uIshmael is here to stay. So uNobuhle bafethu uFelicia requested i-testing Nobuhle. Nobuhle uthena yena hayi ke mina ngizotesta mina. If now uzotesta ebuza ukuthi did you guys use protection? Cha umdala bana 22 Nobuhle. So they use protection. But uzotesta uma ngabe test uFelicia because uNobuhle thinks ukuthi uFelicia also slept with Gabriel. Hayi bafethu umsizi ke manje ke usiyadotsha ama meetings ebiza uFelicia. Bazama ukumcinga bafethu bazama ukumcinga bamtholi, you understand? And ubongo is trying to help, but at the same time this guy is in trouble, huge trouble, because ukuzama ukusiza uFelicia is the same person is gonna rat out ubongo. Crazy. Ishmael bafethu visitor uvakashela uGodfather umfundisi. Ishmael visits the pastor. So le visit le obviously ke Ishmael wants help njengoba deshilo kuMafitsotso ukuthi he is gonna go and approach umfundisi and ask for help kumfundisi because he feels as if this tension is too much for him, you understand? So the guy actually needs protection from umfundisi, and the only guy who can help Ishmael we umfundisi. So he had to actually explain everything what happened ukuthi yena they are caught sleeping together noNobuhle, noNobuhle or in a relationship. Yabona, he's actually realizing ukuthi he flopped. Yabo, he flopped big time and now he is caught. So the Tabete family wants to chow the boy. Umpumi bafethu is excited about lengoma I recordile. Yabona. She recorded the song. In fact, she first dreamt about the song. She got the beats, spoke to the producers, recorded the song, and then approached Ubongo at Genesis, begging Ubongo ukuthi ayilalele i-demo. So she came with like a USB to tell Ubongo ukuthi, yo, wait your 2 minutes, just listen to my song. Listen to my song, you won't regret it. Listen to my song, you understand? Ubongo ke fethu ke was like, hey, the last time ngikubona wena Mpumi ungijelele ngembali wena. You are overprotective for your sister uMaruna. So what changed emva lapho? You understand? Now ubongo bangela ukuthi hayibo. all of a sudden Mpumi is going to Genesis to ask Ubongo to listen to a demo, which is crazy. And the painful part is, bamnikile idemo bafethu Ubongo itholile idemo. Mpumi is very much more confident ukuthi Ubongo is going to listen to the demo, because Mpumi believes ukuthi if the demo reaches Ubongo's hands, her life changes, you understand. But the painful part is Ubongo left the USB, left the demo with desk la admin. Now the admin looks like, uyabona ukuthi that's painful, it's an ouch. But at the same time, I feel like who admin is gonna listen to the demo. Maybe she's gonna try putting a word for Mpumi. Who knows? We don't know. So Ishmael bafethu uhlala phansi ke nogodfather wakhe umfundisi abamxoxela ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So basically Ishmael was actually like filling up umfundisi, telling him ukuthi okay, this is what happened yabo at the homestead and whatsoever. Ngalena ke bafethu it's tense ke manje. Umsizi ke shows up to Felicia as expected, because Felicia wanted a meeting with Umsizi. So Umsizi came through, baxoxa yabo. So when they talk Felicia had a question from Umsizi, did you leak the album? If you didn't leak the album, who leaked the album? You know who leaked the album. You understand? Felicia is basically suspecting Umsizi. He was the one who actually leaked the album. But if you guys know, Umsizi is working hand in hand, but not Gabriel. So Gabriel was the one who leaked the album. But then, because Umsizi has, and Umsizi was a rat, having to go to Gabriel and tell Gabriel everything and update Gabriel of what's happening up at Genesis. Because Umsizi was hired by Gabriel at Genesis. So obviously Umsizi now caught up in the middle of okay, I'm going to be a spy, and tell Gabriel everything. So hey, Umsizi bafethu uqala phike la, he's denying everything. Yabo bambuza ukuthi, did you leak the Thapelo Marona's album? He's saying no, I don't know anything. Akazi lutho yena, he wasn't involved in the leak. Yabona. So hey, Felicia is pressing the guy to talk. Yabo, the guy doesn't want to talk. So Umsizi basically is like Ubongo. Aibo. Ubongo is his friend and doesn't want to rat out Ubongo. Aibo. This is about the leak, but Umsizi is on about Ubongo sleeping with Marona. Now, I was actually confused when I was watching this episode, because I was thinking, okay, sharp, finally Gabriel uzophuma, but Umsizi is still protecting Gabriel. You understand? So, hey, I was confused for a bit, because manje, he's saying he doesn't want to rat out his friend because Bongo is his friend. He doesn't want to jeopardize the relationship. But at the same time, he was the one who told Felicia, hey, yeah, Bongo umngani wakhe and whatsoever. He doesn't want to rat out Bongo and whatsoever. Oh, guys, come on. Ishmael nobuhle bafethu to carry on abona bonding and whatsoever. I want to bakhulume efonini. So hey, Ishmael is still scared to actually go near Bongo, because he believes Bongo is gonna dust him out, he's gonna mess him up and everything. But these guys still have like a dope relation. They still have a good relation, and nobuhle cares yabona. She's very considerate. Ishmael ukuthi ayinakekela iphathe kahle, he must take care of himself. Hey, bafethu Felicia lapho cishe wawa ke manje. This woman is nearly fainting phambi kwaMsizi, based on what she is hearing from Umsizi. You understand? So Umsizi found a way to actually tell Felicia what's happening. You understand that? Because the guy was actually stuck up and reaction it's been a long time since he wanted to tell Felicia the whole truth and stuff. You understand? So finally Umsizi revealed the truth. Uyamtshela Felicia, utshela yonke into. Umsizi is revealing everything ukuthi hey, phela Ubongo slept with Umaruna, but Ubongo did not want anyone to know about the issue yakhe noMaruna sleeping together. It doesn't make sense, because nakhona ushilo na Gabriel into eyodwa ukuthi yazi Brakeps Ubongo bengafuna ukuthi ngitshele abantu lento lena, but you already told, like uphahlukile Umsizi, guys. Umsizi is a snitch, he's a rat. Samtshela uFelicia the whole truth. Felicia manje ke useyashiselwa ngalento, ucishe yaquleka and stuff. You understand that? Finally Felicia knows the truth, and we don't know what's going to happen on the next episode. We don't know ukuthi Ubongo bazomenzani since Felicia elazi lonke iqiniso. Sazosho Genesis bafethu. Make sure you watch Genesis every day, Monday to Friday, 7:30 Mzansi Magic. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Danko.